If you're suffering from chronic pain that hasn't gone away in months or years, and you thought to yourself, what if I just let it go and continue living like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you what happens if you don't fix your chronic pain. My name is Dr. Garcia. I'm a leading expert in chronic pain and health and wellness, and I'm here to help you conquer this chronic pain for good. Now, the problem with chronic pain, most people don't understand this, is that chronic pain is two parts. It's the brain and the body. Let's take, for instance, that you suffer from chronic low back pain. That pain probably started with some type of incident or an accident or some type of trauma. You might have fell from a ladder, got a motor vehicle accident, you were weightlifting at the gym, something happened to your back that caused local trauma to your back. That local trauma created a lot of inflammation and created a lot of havoc inside your back, and that forced you maybe to stiffen up. It was difficult for you to walk, bend over, or even sleep. After a while, that chronic inflammation hardened into scar tissue. Well, what happens with pain is there's a signal from wherever there's pain to tell your brain to hold off, to relax, to not move as much. Well, the brain then says to the back, stiffen up, let's protect you a little bit. And that's how pain is interpreted. Both the brain is the central source, that's the electrical source, that's where everything comes in, and the back is the localized area that controls the movement. So you have the body and the brain that control everything that you do. And when you're in chronic pain, it's not just the local area where the back was injured and inflamed. Now the brain is still interpreting, even though everything is healed in the body, that back is now fully healed, there's no more inflammation. For some reason, that signal is still being sent to the brain saying, this is still painful, it's irritating. So you might have gone to doctors, physical therapists, other healthcare providers, and they say your back actually looks really good, but you're like, yeah, but I can't move. This hurts so much. And the reality is most people understand there's two parts to conquering chronic pain. So if you've thought, gosh, well, I've tried injections, I've tried massages, I've tried physical therapy, and nothing seems to help my back or whatever region you're suffering from. Well, there's two parts to that to help your brain interpret how to safely get back into those functional activities. Well, the challenge is if you go on living with chronic pain, you keep pushing past that, and you don't solve both parts, the brain and the body. This leads to chronic pain that just leads you down a downward cycle of more medications, unnecessary surgeries, unnecessary injections, and even worse, for a lot of people, it leads to depression or other mental challenges. And if that's you and you're suffering from this, one of the things that you want to do is you want to partner and find a local physical therapist who understands this, who is not just about, let's just give you a couple more exercises. How about you tough it out? How about you just work through it? How about you just keep taking your medications? How about you rest? How about you don't stay active? All of those things are contributing to continued chronic pain. And if you don't solve this and you eventually push past through it and you listen to your providers, you listen to other people that are sending you down the wrong message, the wrong pathway, your chronic pain continues in this downward cycle, and then you find yourself with more weight gain, more surgeries, more injections, more dependence on medications. And if that's what you want to avoid and you're tired of it and you want to go down a path towards better health, you need to find a provider who understands this, who understands chronic pain, who can guide you through this process of leading a more active and healthy lifestyle, because that's ultimately how we're going to do it. You need to be more active, get you back into fitness, whether it was that time that you were playing basketball or golf or tennis, and slowly introduce your brain and your body to new stages of rehabilitation and recovery. Now, if you're looking for a long-term solution and you've been frustrated, reach out to me and my team at Sports Performance Physical Therapy, where we specialize in chronic pain and we understand everything that you've been through. And now the great part is it only starts with a phone call. You can contact us at any of the contact information below, and we'll start with a phone call to understand what you've done in the past, what you're looking to achieve, and then how long it's going to take to get you there, and create a plan for you to help you understand that this process is really straightforward. We do have to be patient, but you just need to be on the right path. And you might feel like you're lost and not on the right path right now. So if you're interested in a final solution, we're excited to help you on your journey to better health and conquering chronic pain for good. Hi, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification for my weekly tips on improving your lifelong health without aches and pains. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.